Well, D.C. judge today is saying the Department of Youth Rehabilitation Services continues to disobey a judge's orders to place certain kids in shelters instead of detention facilities.
Our Daniel Hamburg was in D.C. Superior Court, where the director says there's just not enough bed space to house all the children.
Well, this was a continuation of last month's contempt hearing in which the judge said DYRS is continuing to be non-compliant, though the judge noted today that after going over DYRS's plan, there is progress being made. Since the November 13th contempt hearing, there have been 10 additional cases where kids are being held in detention at the Youth Services Center against the judge's order to place them in less restrictive shelters.
Sounds like it remains to be an ongoing problem that needs to be remedied quickly.
DYRS Director Sam Abed says the mayor's emergency order signed last month is helping to streamline the process of getting additional beds online. That includes 10 additional beds at the Youth Services Center now available and 16 additional shelter beds at 2 different facilities. But those private facilities still are not up and running yet.
I think it's important that we hold adults accountable, just like we've been talking about holding kids accountable, for making sure that we're providing safe, supportive bed space when it's ordered by the court.
As of Wednesday, there are 15 shelter beds available, including 5 for girls and 10 for boys. But the judge noted those numbers can easily change. Eduardo Ferrer, policy director of the Georgetown Juvenile Justice Initiative, says this is an immediate need, but believes the focus is still misplaced.
I think what would really help is if we got serious about providing kids what they need in schools, with behavioral health, with direct economic assistance, with housing supports. We're not going to be able to arrest and react our way out of what we're seeing in the city right now. The judge ordered an updated status report from DYRS by December 18th, and there will be a continuation of this contempt hearing on December 19th. At D.C. Superior Court, Daniel Hamburg, D.C. News Now.